Sino dito nakakita ng biogesic opener? I say, hey, biogesic? Kreml S? Bioderm? Like, what the fuck are you talking about? No, I'm just, what's your name? Right? Liners are not really important. Liners are not really important. Remember when I say, hi, at saka, hi, right? Lines don't matter. Nagigets nyo? So, when you attract women, you need to show who you are. Who you are. Pero, this is the trick. This is the trick. Sinong mas nakakahook? Sinong mas nakakahook? Tandaan nyo to. Hi, I'm Tyler. I'm a businessman. Okay, I'm a businessman. I'm a public speaker. I run pickup seminars. My family lives in New Jersey. And I dated a lot of girls. Or, this guy. Hasara! What hi, 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 high five. Oh, what's your name? Right? Sinong mas nakakahook? The second. Tama? So lines, TH being not really off the hook. You guys know that, right? Ngayon nakikita nyo, nagagawin ko yun. Not all the time, okay? Open ko yun. Ano sinabi niya? Hasabara. Taking common sense, alright? And when you guys try to approach indirectly or directly, be common sense too. Halimbawa, you have to know when to approach direct at saka indirect. Paano pag Paano pag papasok na siya ng train or jeep? What kind of approach? Indirect? Paano pag papasok na siya paalis na yung bus? Teka lang kuya, hey, who lies more? Men or women? Oh, did you see the fight? Oh my God! Tapos yung bus, ang tagal mo! Teka lang. Put your hand like this. Oh, palm reading, shit. Right? Nagigets nyo? Dude, kung nakita nyo yung scenario, kung nakita nyo yung scenario na paalis na siya, open direct. Hey, I know you're leaving. You're very cute. I'm gonna see you. Give me a number. I wanna talk to you there. I wanna say hi to you there. Pag sinabi niya na, I don't give my parents. No, it's okay. You don't have to reply, right? My mom will gonna die if you're not gonna give your number. Like, o kaya minsan mag-uubad ako dito pag hindi mo right? Alisin mo na yung belt mo, right? Dadaan mo, right? And the funny thing is, matatawa siya sa'yo after, gago yun, nakuha niya yung number ko. Like, and then ma-hook sa'yo. Right? Pero pag halimbawa, mag-isa naman siya, or dalawa sila, or with guy, use indirect opener. It's all good. Tama? You guys learning something? Yes. Okay, good. Right? So, after opening, ito na yung mga personalities. Ito yung mga magic trick, nalabas nyo. Right? You don't need the magic trick. Meron akong kilala, nagma-magic trick sa club. Right? Oh, wanna share something? May card na. Right? Okay, minsan may tinidor. Dude, watch me. Right? Yung tao, ano yan? Ba't kaya may tinidor? No, I'm gonna show something. Shit. Right? Okay, minsan nag-hypnotize. Alam niyo may hypnotize. Nagka-club ka. Watch me. Wait, I can't concentrate. I'm drunk. It's okay. Watch me. Right? Don't, common sense. Okay, common sense. All right. After attraction, you have to build comfort. Ito na yung you and her versus the world. Kailangan pakita mo kung sino ka. You're not judgmental. Sino dito yung nagsiselos? Yung seloso. Be honest. It's okay. Sino dito yung seloso? Yung mga nagka-girlfriend na parang, huwag kang mag-short ha. Huwag kang lalabas na ayoko tumitingin sila sa'yo eh. Nababastusan ako eh. Sino yung mga ganun sa inyo? Takin na, sino yung ka-text mo? Sino yan? Jake? Sino yung smooth? Right? Kilala ko to, loser to eh. Right? Sino yung mga ganun? Alright. Don't ever show that you're jealous. Never. Okay? But, to create more emotion, magsiselos ka sa guys na don't matter. Example, pag may kausap siyang gwapo or may nag-approach sa kanyang gwapo or mayaman or whatever, let her go. Sasabihin mo, yeah, talk to her. It's okay. Ba't naman magsiselos dyan? Alright? Kasi, once na nagselos ka, may insecurities, yung mindset niya, mas high value yung lalaki kaysa sa'yo. Alright? Tandaan nyo yun. And, magsiselos ka lang sa guys na don't matter. Halimbawa, nasa train. I'm gonna give you example, di ba? Nasa train station kami, MRT, sobrang traffic. Kasama ko yung set ko. And my set looks like Marian Rivera. Ganun na ganun yung mukha niya eh. Diana Meneses, no? Kamukha ni... No? Right? Naka-train station kami, right? Tapos merong sobrang taba, na pawis na kaganyan, right? And then, nagsiselos na ako. Parang, tangina ba't tinitingnan mo yan? Tangina, nagsiselos. Gago yan, ah. Papatayin ko na yan. Tapos, alam mo, sasabihin niya parang, ano ka ba? Ba't ko lang papatulan yan? Hindi eh. Iba yung tingin mo, ang lagkit eh. Tangina, ayoko na to. Pagdating natin, umuwi ka na, ha? Ayoko, susuntukin ko na yung tiyan niya ito eh. Magkakagusto ka pa, dyan pa. Tapos alam mo kung matatawa siya, parang, gago ka talaga, ano ba, hindi ko papatulan. Naririnig na yung bato, naririnig na siya, parang, gago. Tapos sasabihin ko na lang, sige, huwag mo akong kausapin, ha? Right? Tapos, kinikilig yon. Kikiligin yun. Same scenario pag nagsiselos ka sa pogi, pero wag sa pogi. Magselos ka sa walang kwenta. Parang kiligin. Para kiligin. Okay? Para kiligin lang. Sabi, oh my God, alright? Alright, that's how you create emotion. When you're in a... Pag nandun ka sa comfort phase, ito yung mga kalokohan mo na nag-create emotion to make her more hook. Alright? Bigyan kita ng example. Ito yung mga drunk calls. Guys, what I'm teaching right now are immersion programs. So, you have to take this seriously, okay? Alright. You guys know how to... Alam niyo ba kung paano mag-create ng drunk calls? Alright? Para mas ma-in-love yung girls. Kasi meron silang mentality na parang, pag drunk yan, totoo yan, pag drunk, oh my God. Right? Pag yan, right? So, ang gagawin mo, te-text mo yung girlfriend nyo. Sabihin mo sa set mo, babe, mag-iinom man lang kami. Ayoko uminom eh, pero dahil birthday ng friend ko, okay lang. Okay lang ba? Sabihin, sige, pero wag kang iinom masyado ha. After nyan, after mga couple of hours, kilagitnaan nga. Kahit hindi kayo lumabas basta text mo muna. Mag-text ka ng parang drunk or, babe, love you all that. O kaya, tangina mo. Tapos magre-reply, ano? Bakit? Ano nangyari? Like, huwag ka mag-reply. Namin tatawag yan. Okay, ikaw tatawag. Pag wala pang magtawag o ikaw tumawag. Hello? Ba't mo ko sila? Tayo na, gago ka! Sino ka ba? Ba't ka ba text ng text? Gago? Anong pinagsasabi mo? Like, anong sinabi mo Alam mo, hindi ka ta-type. Okay, hindi kita type. Iisa lang ang girlfriend ko. Isa lang ang gusto ko sa buhay ko at hindi ikaw. Sino ka ba? Sino ka ba? Patayin mo. Tatawag yun ulit. Tatawag yan. Hello? Sino ka tawag ng tawag? Sinisiraan mo ako sa girlfriend ko eh. Pag hindi kayo nung girl, sinisiraan mo ako sa type na type kong girl. Gag ka eh. Ang lakas naman neto, bro. Ano ba iniinom natin? Tangay na. Tapos sasabihin niya, sino bang girlfriend mo? Ba't ka ba tanong ng tanong? Sisiraan mo kami? Kahit hindi ka nagbumura, kasi hindi ako nagbumura. Ina mo! Right? Tapos sasabihin mo sa kanya, alam mo, eto alam mo kung sinong girlfriend ko, ha? Di ko sasabihin sa'yo! Sino nga yung pangalan? Sino yung pangalan? And then, tell her, eto, kasi alis na ako, manalobat na ako. Ang pangalan, Sabihin mo yung pangalan niya. Halimbawa, Charis. Charis. Yan, tayo na mo. Mas ka na. Alam mo, feeling niya, oh my God.